Hello everyone, and welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, we're going to write a program that takes 2 points from the user and calculates the equation of the line that passes through them. This is a perfect project for beginners who want to practice both math concepts and Python programming. Let's get started. First, let's quickly review the math behind this. When we have 2 points, let's call them x1, y1, and x2, y2, we can find the line equation in different forms. The most common is slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. But today, we'll use the standard form, ax plus b, y equals c. If the line is vertical, when x1 equals x2, our equation becomes simply x equals constant. For all other cases, we calculate the slope first, then convert to standard form. Now, let's open our Python editor and start coding. We'll begin by getting input from the user for our 2 points. Here, we're using Python's input function to get 4 values from the user, x1, y1, x2, and y2. We wrap each input with float to convert the text input into decimal numbers, which allows us to perform mathematical operations on them. Next, we need to handle a special case when the line is vertical. This happens when x1 equals x2. This if statement checks if x1 equals x2. If they are equal, it means we have a vertical line. In this case, we simply print the equation in the form x equals constant using an f string to insert the x value. Now for the more general case, when we have a non-vertical line. Let's add the else clause. First, we calculate the slope, m, using the formula, change in y divided by change in x, or y2 minus y1, divided by x2 minus x1. Now we convert to standard form a, x, plus b, y, equals c. In standard form, we typically want a to be positive and a, b, c to be integers, but for simplicity, we'll keep them as decimals. We set a to negative slope, m, b to 1, and calculate c using the point slope formula rearranged. Let's test our program with 2 points. First point is 2, 3, and second point is 5, 8. And there you have it. A complete Python program that calculates line equations from 2 points. This program handles both regular lines and vertical lines, and gives us nicely formatted output. This is a great foundation you can build upon. You could add features like handling horizontal lines specially, or making sure a, b, and c are integers. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!